Citibank net banking or internet banking login. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how I can log into our Citibank online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into your internet banking account, head over to citi.com. Right over here you will find a little login pop-up here where you have to simply enter your user ID related to your online banking. If you're using mobile, by the way, you can use mobile banking app as well, and then you can also go ahead and then enter your password. Click on the sign on option. If your account details are correct, then you will be able to go ahead and then basically log into your online banking. Now if you happen to forget your user ID or password of your online or internet banking, you can select that. If you have not yet registered, you'll also find the option to register or activate your online banking account. But to give you an idea, this is how you can log in to your internet banking on Citibank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.